Welcome back. I'm Ganesha and today I'm going to tell you all about my top 5 absolute favorite mystery novels. The first on my list is The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins. With 2 movie adaptations now, The Girl on the Train is one of the best psychological mysteries I have ever read. Rachel, an alcoholic trying to recover from her failed marriage, boards the same train every day at the same time. From her window, she follows the lives of 2 other women whom she has never met, Anna and Megan. One day, Rachel sees something that no one was supposed to see. Something so shocking that it leads her to becoming a part of the lives she has only seen from far away till now. I love a multiple point of view story, especially when the characters are so well drawn. A totally mind-blowing and gripping story, the suspense here throws you completely off the hook. Next we have And Then There Were None by Agatha Christie. This book I suggest to each and every mystery fan out there, especially those who have just started reading and want to inculcate the habit of reading. 10 strangers are invited to Soldier Island, an isolated rock cut off from the mainland. With their generous host mysteriously absent, they are each accused of a terrible crime. When one of the guests suddenly ends up dead, they realize that there may be a murderer amongst them, who might strike again and again. Just 250 pages long with a fast-paced and to-the-point plot, this murder mystery is going to keep you guessing until the very end. The third on my list for today is Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. Again, a truly epic psychological mystery with sharp and fast-paced writing and a crazy and obsessive plot. Gone Girl offers you a very sexy and suspenseful story. On Amy and Nick's 5th marriage anniversary, while gifts are being wrapped and plans being made, Amy suddenly goes missing. With no leads and traces of violence at the crime scene, both the media and the police point to Nick as the killer. This leads to Nick being caught in an endless series of lies, deceits, and toxic behavior while trying to find out what actually went wrong. Next we have The Guest List by Lucy Foley. Off the beautiful windswept Irish coast, guests gather for the wedding of the year. The groom is the handsome and charming, a rising television star. The bride, smart and ambitious, is a magazine publisher who always gets her way. Everything is planned too perfectly for this too good to be true couple's love union. But before the first bottle of champagne is popped, jealousy, bitterness and insecurities of the past begin to crawl their way back in within the guests. And before we know it, someone turns up dead. I really enjoyed The Guest List. It's deep and dark at points, but at the same time does not feel too obsessive or heavy. Lucy Foley gives you a really good story with a really good suspense, while at the same time not making things too serious. Last on my list for today is The Silent Patient. Alicia Berenson has the picture-perfect life. A very famous painter, she is married to the love of her life, Gabrielle. On an absolutely normal day, when her husband returns home from work, Alicia shoots him 5 times in the head and then never speaks a word again. Psychotherapist Theo Faber thinks he can successfully enter Alicia's mind and heart, which she has completely sealed away forever, and make her speak the truth. But Alicia's silence runs deeper than Theo ever realizes. Will he be able to make her speak the truth? And even if she does, is he ready to hear it? Author Alex Mchaladi's first novel, The Silent Patient, is smart, subtle, and an impressive mystery that every mystery fan out there will love. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.